Let's learn a rubric from the Phatak's repertory. Cough, ascending stairs when argentum nitricum. This person has cough whenever he is climbing up the stairs, and let's study a few more symptoms of cough related to this remedy. Argentum nitricum has a great sphere of action on larynx, and it hence causes chronic laryngitis of singers and causes them cough when they sing high notes as well. Along with that, as we know through this rubric, argentum nitricum has cough whenever he is climbing up the stairs. Some other aggravations are by laughing, whenever they are stooping, they also cough, whenever they are smoking, and before menses also they get cough. So this is a little bit about the cough of argentum nitricum.